Okay, good morning to everyone.
Good
So,
morning, sir.
Good morning,
today
sir.
is good so we are discussing the in previous classes also. We have discussing some recurrence relations example, and today we will see another type of recurrence relation example, and after that you can practice it. So this is a new type of recurrence relation. Today I will show you the type of a recurrence relation. This is a new type of a recurrence relation. Till now in the recurrence relation you have seen that we are calling the functions itself only one time. But in this recurrence relation or in this algorithm you can see that we are calling our this algorithm that we are calling the functions itself two times. So now you can see that this is an algorithm. You see, this is an algorithm of it continue. It takes n. It takes n, and if n is greater than equal to 0, then the value will be printed, and the functions will be called itself two times. You can see that first time it is calling test n minus 1, then again it calling test n minus 1. Now, in this type of algorithms case, we call this type of algorithm as a recurrence relation, as a decreasing functions recurrence relation. Till now, I have shown all the recurrence relations example. It is decreasing. It is the decreasing functions because you can see that in every time n is decreasing. That's why this called the decreasing function. That's why it is called a decreasing function. Till now, the algorithm which I have already shown to you are all of this type decreasing functions because you can see that every time the n is decreasing, because you can see n minus 1, then again it will be n minus 2, n minus 3. So it is decreasing, n value is decreasing. That's why this type of algorithm is called decreasing functions. So till now we have seen the decreasing functions recurrence relation, and in this you can see that we are calling the functions itself two times. So without, you have already known that how the time can be calculated. So we can take this algorithm total time as tn, which we know that this total time is tn, and our this is the simple statement. So it will take one amount of time. Then this function is calling itself two times. So this will be tn minus 1. This value will also be tn minus 1. So total, what will be the total? Total will be tn equal to 2tn minus 1 plus 1. This will be total tn equal to 2tn minus 1 plus 1. Now, this is the recurrence relation that if tn equal to, if n equal to 0, then it will didn't perform anything. So it will, total time will be 1. We can assume that if the if condition will not execute, then it requires one amount of time. And if n value is greater than 0, if n value is greater than 0, then our recurrence relation, that is 2tn minus 1 plus 1, it will be performed. So if we trace the tree, if we use the tracing tree, then what it will be? It is taking tn, so it value tn, and what it is performing? It is printing the value of n. So one amount of time is required, and it is calling the function two times, tn minus 1, tn minus 1. Then again, this will be performed like that. This will, how this will be performed? That it will perform like this. It will perform like again tn minus 1, then tn minus 1, and one amount of time. If tn, we can, if you substitute that tn recursive tree, we can use the recursive tree, then tn will requires one amount of time, and it is calling the functions itself, the tn minus 1, tn minus 1. Then again it will be divided, again it will be divided, it requires one time. It will be tn minus 1, the functions will be called two times, tn minus 2, tn minus 2. Same as that, in case of this, it will require one amount of time, and this will be called itself two times, tn minus 2, tn minus 2. Same as that, if we continue this, if we continue this up to, our main motto is what? our main motto is to make its T0, because if T0, we can say that our functions is completed. So if we continue it and goes to the T0 steps, go to the T0, then it will be T0, T0, all the T0s will be there, because in that time it will be completed. So it continues up to T0 time. So now what it will be? Now what this function takes, what amount of time this function takes? This function takes one amount of time. We didn't know these values because tn minus 1, tn minus 1, how much time is total time? We didn't know that. So we didn't consider it. We only considered that tn requires one amount of time. Now, what will be this required tn minus 1 and tn minus 1? How amount of what amount of time it will require total? It will require, now you can see this is require 1, this is also taking 1. So it will require 2 unit of time. It will require 2 unit of time. Then after performing what it will be taking, this function, this function, this functions and this function. It will take 4. It will take 4 amount of time. So 1, 2, 4, like this. If we continues up to T0, we are performing that T0, we get T0 in the K steps. So it will be up to K steps. So if you can see this one, we can say that this one is 2 to the power 0. This is 2 to the power 1. This is 2 to the power 2. And if we continue up to 2K, we are continue up to this in the 2K, 2 to the power K steps, we can get T0. So our total time will be like this: 1 plus 2 plus 2 square plus 2 cube to 2 to the power K. So what it is? It is the GP series. It is the GP series formula. So our GP series formula, we will get this 2 to the power K plus 1 minus N. Because if you remember or recall that in GP series, our functions looks like this, that if A plus AR square plus AR cube plus 2 AR to the power K. If this is the GP series, then it will be our value will be A R to the power K plus 1 minus 1 by R minus 1. This is the general structure of the GP series. Now, from this formula, we can know that our A is known as the first term. A is known as the first term. So in our first term, what we know in our first term, it is all the values are 1. In first term, all the values are 1. And what is our R? R is 2. R is 2 because R is the ratio. In GP series, A is the first term and R is the ratio. And here in our example, A is 1 and R is 2. So if we put these values in this, then it will be 1 into R to the power R. In case of R, it will be 2 to the power K plus 1, 2 to the power K plus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Then what will be the value? 2 to the power K plus 1 minus 1. So that's why this value is shown. And we always assume that n minus k equal to 0. So if n minus k equal to 0, that means n equal to k. That means n equal to k. So our value will become, now in place of k, we replace it with the n. Then the value will become 2 to the power n plus 1 minus n. And now we can say it is the order of 2 to the power n. So what is the order of 2 to the power n? In case we can write big O, order of 2 to the power n, or theta of 2 to the power n, because it is the higher bound of a function and 2 to the power n is the most value, and 2 to the power n, 3 to the power n, this is in the exponential form. So what is the highest value, in which I have shown in some classes example, that what will be an highest value? N to the power n. N to the power n will be the most highest value of an algorithm. So it is the order of 2 to the power n. So the functions will be grown as a exponentially, the functions will be grown because the time will taken functionally, it will be exponentially, the time will be increased in this type of function. So that's why you can see that first Tn it is divided into two parts, Tn minus 1, Tn minus 1. Then again, this 2 will be divided. Now you can see this requires 1 amount of time. This requires 2 amount of time. This requires 4 amount of time. If this, we break this, then here there will be 1 Tn minus 3, Tn minus 3. There will be 1 Tn minus 3, Tn minus 3. There will be 1 Tn minus 3, Tn minus 3. There will be 1, then Tn minus 3, Tn minus 3. Now, how much Tn minus 3 we get? We get total 8 Tn minus 3. Total we are getting Tn minus 3. So you can see that time is increasing exponentially. The time is exponentially growing in the 2 to the power rate. In the case of, in this which we are using here, the time is increasing in the rate of 2 to the power value. So that's why it is, we consider it as a GP series. So in GP series, the formula is like that, and we put the value of A and R. A is the first term and R is the ratio, and we put the values of A and R in our formula, and we get 2 to the power k plus 1 minus n. And now what we always assume in our functions, that if n minus k equal to 0, then we can say it will be the k equal to n. So in case of k, we replace the value of n and it will be 2n plus 1 minus 1. Now we can know that what to omit this, we get the order of 2 to the power n. The value will be in the n range. So our order, it will be in the order of 2 to the power n. Clear? This is clear to all of you? Anyone has any question?
No, sir.
Okay. So that's how we can find the this type of, in case of decreasing functions, this type of decreasing function, we find this type, we can use this type of, through this type we can perform this. So now we will see what is the it will be the in case of recurrence relation, solving with the substitution method, we can solve like this. We know that our total function is Tn equal to 2Tn minus 1 plus 1. So now I am not going directly. We have to replace this value. So we have to, if we replace this value, you can say in case of here, it will be Tn minus 1 and it will be 2. This will be 2t. If we use n minus 1 in this, then it will be n minus 1 and it will be n minus 2. 2t n minus 2 plus 1. If we replace this, directly replace this, you can use the substitution method. You will see that directly, you will see that I have not here performed this, but if you use the substitution method, then you can, it will be seen that tn minus 1 will be Tn minus 1 equal to 2Tn minus 2 plus 1. It will be like that if you use the substitution method. I am directly in this here, in this example, I am directly substituting it. But in case of performing it in the exam, you can substitute the value, showing that in previous example, how I have shown that how it will be looks like if we substitute the value. Like that, you can perform it. But here, I am directly using the substitution method. So in case of Tn minus 1, it will be look like Tn equal to 2 will be common. So Tn minus 1 will be look like 2Tn minus 2 plus 1. Then the outer side, that is plus 1, it will be look like. Now, what it will become Tn equal to, we do not multiply it, we will use that 2 square Tn minus 2 plus 2 plus 1. It will looks like this. Then again, if we substitute Tn minus 2 value, if we substitute Tn minus 2 value, it will looks like, it will be look like that. If you substitute this value, 1 minute. If we substitute this value, it will look like this. In case of Tn minus 2, if we substitute the value, it will be look like 2Tn minus 3 plus 1. So and it will be plus 2 plus 1. So our Tn now looks like Tn equal to 2 to the power 3 T n minus 3 plus 2 square plus 2 plus 1. So if we continue this up to k times, if we continue up to k times, our functions will looks like this, that it is k. So 2 to the power k, t n minus k. Now this is one steps less. So it will be 2 to the power k minus 1. Then what it will become, it is 2 to the power 1. That means how many, if we consider it as a k, then it will become 2 to the power k minus 2. So you can see that it is 2 to the power k minus 2. And continue up to what steps? It will continue up to 2 square plus 2 plus 1. So that means it is the GP series. That means it is the GP series. So n equal to k, n minus k equal to 0. And then k value will become k is equal to n. So if we put the, in case of k, we put the value of n, then it will become 2 to the power n, then t n minus n plus 2 to the power n minus 1 plus 2 to the power n minus 2. In case of k, we are placing n. So it will become 2 to the power n t n minus n plus 2 to the power n minus 1 plus 2 to the power n minus 2 to 2 square plus 2 plus 1. So it will become 2 to the power n t0 plus, now if we consider from here, then it will be 1 plus 2 plus 2 square, then 2 to the power k minus 1. So it will becomes like this. So from here, we can say this is the GP series formula. So 2 to the power n into 1 t0 means t0, we have in recurrence relation, we have seen that t0 value is 1. So here t0 value is 1 and the functions will be like this, 2 to the power k minus 1. So in place of k, we'll replace with n, then 2 to the power n plus 2 to the power n minus 1. Now it will be looks like 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 1. So it will be in the order of 2 to the power n. So from here we can say it is on the order of 2 to the power n. So that's how we can solve this recurrence relation. The recurrence relation can be solved like this. So with this process, we can solve the recurrence relation. So one thing for solving recurrence relation, the main thing you have to keep in mind that first you have to consider the total amount of time of the function. Then for each steps, you find the time required for each steps. That in case of, if we mainly consider the statement present inside any condition or present inside in a loop, we can consider the statement amount of time and the number of times the function is calling itself. Then the total time will be equal to this, that the statement required time plus the function is calling itself this time. So the total time equal to the total time required by the function calling itself plus the statement, the number of times or the number of times required for the statements to execute. So after that, use the tracing tree, and from tracing tree you will get the result of the total time, and this time will be on any of this, some functions will be required, that is sum of n terms or sum of GP series, and putting this into the formula you will get the desired result. And after that you perform this using the substitution method. The recurrence relation can be substituting using the substitution method, and in substitution method continue up to k steps, and after continue up to k steps, then you have to make the value n minus k, because n minus k we have to put the value equal to 0, because our motto is to that our functions must be completed, or our the recursive algorithm must be completed at a time. So that's why you have to make it 0, and then you put the value n in k value, in replace of k value with n, because if n minus k equal to 0, then the value will be k equal to n. So put the value, so put the value of n in the k place, and then solve it. Okay, and after solving this, you will get the desired result. Okay, so this is clear for recurrence relation.
No, sir.
where you have a problem? Say me.
Sir, from last to second line, 2n plus 1 minus 1.
On which line? This line.
From last second, no,
This line.
last second.
Last second.
Yes,
Oh,
yes, yes, yes.
from this. Yes, it
Yes,
is
sir.
required 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 1. Now we already know that if you get the class in the frequency count method, in case of that, we consider if this is a polynomial functions, or we can say
Sir,
this
from
is type
sir, from where 2n plus 1 come?
2n plus 1 come from this statement. That 2n, if we add this 2n plus
Yes, sir,
2n.
we add this 2n plus 1 and 2n plus n.
2n plus, no, this in mathematics you see that in mathematics if 2n plus 2n this perform, then it will become 2 to the power n plus 1. This will become like this in mathematics. In mathematics it is the simple steps of mathematics, that if this is 2n plus 2n, we perform this, it will become 2 to the power n plus 1 in mathematics, and this is minus 1. And in case of
Yes, sir.
polynomial, what we have do in case of polynomial functions in frequency count method, we have seen that we have to take the n value only, because it is required our
Highest
order of
power of
n.
n.
So that's why it is we have taken that order of 2 to the power n. We didn't concerned about other terms or anything. We concerned about only this term. So that's why it is in the order of 2 to the power n. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Or anyone has any question? किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन है? और
No, sir.
समझ में आया तो सबको?
Yes, sir.
Sir, one more example, sir. Sir, one more example, sir.
वन मोर ऐसे एग्जांपल तो मतलब हम नहीं अभी किए हैं, मगर हाँ ठीक है, हम प्रिपेयर करके तुमको को मतलब दिखा देंगे। अभी तो मेरा नहीं किया हुआ है, ठीक है। मतलब
Okay, sir.
जैसे है हम एग्जांपल ऐसे नहीं है, मगर ऐसे एग्जांपल बहुत होते हैं। नॉर्मली ऐसे एग्जांपल अभी क्लास में हम नहीं कराए हैं, मगर तुम लोग एक काम करो ना, जैसे है कि तुम लोग ऐसे एग्जांपल लेके प्रैक्टिस करो। बहुत सारे एल्गोरिदम का है, तुम लोग मेनली बहुत सारे एग्जांपल है उसको लेके प्रैक्टिस करो, ठीक है। अभी जो मेन चीज है, नॉर्मली जो चीज है तुमको ये करना होगा। फर्स्ट तुमको जैसे टोटल टाइम फर्स्ट निकालो और उसको ट्रेसिंग ट्री देके तुम ये करो, ट्रेसिंग ट्री देके उसको सॉल्व करो। क्योंकि ट्रेसिंग ट्री देके सॉल्व करने से क्या होगा, तुमको समझ में आ जाएगा कि उसका वैल्यू क्या आएगा। एंड आफ्टर दैट सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड यूज करके उसको सॉल्व करना। क्योंकि अभी मेनली चीज क्या है कि अभी ऐसे रेकरेंस रिलेशन, बहुत सारा रेकरेंस रिलेशन है, हम तुमको दिखाने जाएंगे मतलब तो रेकरेंस रिलेशन करते करते क्लास खत्म हो जाएगा। तुमको कौन सा जगह में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है सियाराम?
Sir, from sir equation number 3, sir.
इक्वेशन नंबर 3 इस जगह से समझ में नहीं आया, इस जगह से इसके आगे तक समझ में आया कि कैसे हम सब्स्टिट्यूट किए हैं मेथड को?
Yes, sir.
अब इसको देखो, ये क्या है, हमको k टाइम्स कंटिन्यू करना है। हमको सभी टाइम्स का क्या होता है, k टाइम्स कंटिन्यू करना। मेन चीज क्या है, क्योंकि स्टेप्स ओके, उसके बाद हम बोलते हैं कि अप टू k टाइम्स इट कैन बी कंटिन्यू। अब k को क्या है, k को रिप्लेस करना है। अब इसको देख के, ये फंक्शंस 3 को देख के हम k को रिप्लेस करने गए, तो कहा k को हम रिप्लेस करेंगे, tn इक्वल टू k कहाँ होगा, इधर होगा। सो दैट्स व्हाई 2 टू द पावर k। देन इस जगह में k रिप्लेस होगा tn माइनस k। अब क्या है, ये जो फंक्शंस तैयार हुआ, ये अब अगर नेक्स्ट स्टेप हम करेंगे, देन इट विल बी बिकम 2 to the power 4 tn minus 3 प्लस 2 क्यूब प्लस 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 2 प्लस 1। उसके बाद फिर करेंगे हम, तो क्या होगा उसका 2 to the power 5 tn minus 5 प्लस 2 to the power 4 प्लस 2 to the power 3 प्लस 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 2 प्लस 1। ऐसे करके फंक्शंस तो होगा जितने हम उसको स्टेप्स करेंगे। तो इसको ही अगर हम के स्टेप्स तक गए, इसको अगर हम के स्टेप्स तक गए, तो के स्टेप्स में क्या होगा 2 to the power k देन tn minus k, क्योंकि इस जगह में रिप्लेस होता है। और ठीक इसके आगे जो टर्म होगा वो क्या होगा, उससे एक कम होगा, सो दैट्स व्हाई 2k minus 1। इसके आगे जो टर्म होगा, रिप्लेस होगा, इसके आगे जो टर्म वो क्या होगा, इस टर्म से एक कम होगा। देन इसके आगे जो टर्म होगा वो क्या होगा, उस टर्म से एक छोटा होगा, दैट्स व्हाई 2 to the power k minus 2। देन अप टू हम कंटिन्यू कितने टर्म तक करेंगे, 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 2 प्लस 1। अब क्लियर हुआ?
यस सर।
तो ऐसे अब हम लोगों का क्या फंक्शंस क्या है कि T0 बनाना। T0 हम लोगों का एकदम लास्ट स्टेप है, मतलब मेरा फंक्शंस को कंप्लीट करने का लास्ट स्टेप है। क्योंकि हम लोग कह सकते हैं कि अगर 0 हो गया तो 0 हम लोग को क्या होगा, वो फंक्शंस और फंक्शंस को कॉल नहीं कर सकते हैं, मतलब हम लोगों का टोटल फंक्शंस कंप्लीट हो गया। इसलिए क्या है, हम लोग n माइनस के इक्वल टू 0 कर देते हैं, क्योंकि n माइनस के अगर 0 करेंगे तो इधर मेरा T0 मिल जाएगा, और हम लोग बोलेंगे कि एज्यूम कर लेंगे कि हम लोगों का फंक्शंस जो है इस तक कंप्लीट हो गया। अब n माइनस के इक्वल टू 0 हम करेंगे तो इसका मीन्स क्या है, n इक्वल टू k। इसका मतलब क्या होगा, तो n इक्वल टू k मतलब k वैल्यू जो है, k वैल्यू क्या होगा, k वैल्यू हम लोगों का n का वैल्यू होगा, n इक्वल टू k। अब क्या होगा, k की जगह में हम n का वैल्यू देके रिप्लेस कर देंगे, सो दैट्स व्हाई यू कैन सी n, देन k के जगह में n, देन इन दिस प्लेस n minus 1 n minus 2। अब इसको टोटल हम कर लेंगे तो क्या आएगा, 2 to the power n then T0, so that's why 2 to the power n into 1। and अब इसको हम दिस फंक्शंस को हम अगर रिवर्स कर लेंगे, क्योंकि ये तो पीछे से सामने है, मतलब इस ये फर्स्ट स्टार्ट हुआ, सो 1 प्लस 2 प्लस 2 स्क्वायर देन 2 to the power n minus 2 2 to the power n minus 1 करके जाएगा। तो क्या होगा, ये एक जीपी सीरीज बनेगा। तो जीपी सीरीज में क्या होगा, जीपी सीरीज में हम लोग जानते हैं कि ए आर प्लस ए आर स्क्वायर प्लस ए आर क्यूब जो भी फंक्शंस दिखाए, तो उसमें क्या होता है, ए आर टू द पावर के प्लस 1 माइनस 1 बाई आर माइनस 1। अब ए का वैल्यू क्या है, ये हम लोग का फर्स्ट टर्म का वैल्यू है। अब देखो हर फर्स्ट टर्म में क्या है, 1 है, और आर जो है हम लोग का रेशियो है। रेशियो क्या है, देखो 2 रेशियो हम लोग का है, इससे डिफरेंस 2 है, इससे डिफरेंस 2 है, इसका नेक्स्ट टर्म से इसका डिफरेंस होगा 2 डिफरेंस, मतलब रेशियो क्या होगा 2। सो इन प्लेस 2 to the power n minus 1 by 1, so 1 means nothing, then it will become 2 to the power n minus 1। तो ये मेरा आएगा। अब इसको हम लोग क्या है, इसको सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, सब्स्टिट्यूट नहीं मगर मेन एडिशन अगर करेंगे तो क्या होता है 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 1। और हम लोग ऐसे अगर ऐसे आते हैं तो उसको डायरेक्टली हम कह सकते हैं कि इट विल बी द ऑर्डर ऑफ 2 to the power n। क्लियर हुआ?
यस सर।
अब कर पाओगे, अब कोई दिक्कत नहीं है?
यस सर, ट्राई करेंगे सर।
अब हम बोल दे रहे हैं कि देखो तुम नॉर्मली ये क्लास में तो हम पॉसिबल नहीं होगा इतना रिकरेंस रिलेशन दिखाना, तो फर्स्ट मेनली जो है कुछ लेके तुम रिकरेंस रिलेशन को प्रैक्टिस करो। अगर कहीं जगह में रिकरेंस रिलेशन का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है तो मुझे बोलना, हम बता देंगे, ठीक है? हम बता देंगे कि फर्स्ट प्रैक्टिस करो उसको लेके, देन कहीं जगह में, क्योंकि ये तो मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशन है तो इसीलिए मेनली क्या है, इसको प्रैक्टिस करो। अब प्रैक्टिस करके जिस जगह में प्रॉब्लम होगा हम बता देंगे।
Sir, can you suggest a book?
सजेस्ट इसके लिए बुक जो है तुम लोगों का हफमैन एक जगह है, एक बुक है, मगर वो जो एल्गोरिथम का बुक है ना, एल्गोरिथम का बुक थोड़ा बड़ा है, उसका नाम हफमैन या ऐसे कुछ है, मेरा याद नहीं आ रहा है डायरेक्टली, हम एक बार बता देंगे क्योंकि वही है एल्गोरिदम का नॉर्मल टोटल बुक वही है एल्गोरिदम का, तो उस बुक से फॉलो करोगे तो अच्छा होगा। तो उस बुक का नाम हम बता देंगे, एच देके उसका नाम था, मेरा याद नहीं आ रहा है अभी इंस्टेंटली, तो हम बता देंगे उस बुक का नाम, ठीक है।
Yes, sir. Please share it in the group.
I will share it in the group, the name of the book, because I will share it, and if I have any copy of that book, I will also share it in the uh, group. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is all about the recurrence relation. Now, from recurrence relation till now, what the recurrence relations we have seen in this, from this you can see that if the recurrence relations looks like this, Tn equal to Tn minus 1 plus n, then we can directly say this will be order of n. If our recurrence relation is Tn equal to Tn minus 1 plus n, then we can say that this n and this n is multiplied and it will be in the order of n square. This is the shortcut format for finding any recurrence relations order. This is a shortcut method. Then if Tn equal to Tn minus 1 plus log n, then it will become order of n log n. This n, this log n. We are multiplying this. Now, what are these? What these are called? We know this is called Fn. This is our all Fn. Fn is the function. Fn is the functions, and this all values are Fn. So we performing that, what? We performing n into Fn, n into Fn, n into Fn. We are performing that. We're performing this n into Fn. In this total functions, we are mainly performing n into Fn. Same as that, if this type of function is there, which previously I have seen, that if Tn equal to 2Tn minus 1 plus 1, then what will be its order? Its order will be 2 to the power n. If so, means if there is a term, there is a coefficient, then this coefficient or power will be there. So that's why you can get 2 to the power n minus 1 plus 1, we get order of 2 to the power n. If it looks like Tn equal to 3Tn minus 1 plus 1, then it will be order of 3 to the power n. So what the next term will be looks like? In this next term, you can see it looks like, in the next term, you can see in the next term, this will be looks like this, that if it is in the order of, if it is in the order of Tn equal to 2Tn minus 1 plus n, then what it will looks like? It will be order of n 2 to the power n. It will be looks like. So if this is some in the from recurrence relation, we can say directly, we can say that if it is the order like this, then we can get the order of n. Okay, so if this type, it will be looks like. Now in case here, from here we can find the general structure from the recurrence relation. We can find the general structure of the recurrence relation. Now the general structure of the recurrence relation will be, what the general structure of recurrence relation will be? Now in some functions we are getting this, in some functions we are getting this. So from here we can say our general structure, from these equations we can find that our general structures of an recurrence relations will look like this. Tn equal to a, means here you can, there is no coefficient, means this is 1, this is all are ones, and here there is coefficient. So we can assume this is as an A, and here this is T n minus 1. So this is n minus 1, this can be n minus 2, this can be n minus 3. So that's why we have used the term B, that Tn minus B plus Fn. So all these terms are known as Fn. So the general structure of a recurrence relation is look like this, that Tn equal to Atn minus B plus Fn. Okay, this is the general structures of an recurrence relation. Today the time is limited, so I cannot say that from this general structure of an recurrence relation, how we can use the Master's theorem. I will discuss it in the next class, that how the Master's theorem can be defined from this, the general structure of an recurrence relation, that how we perform this general structure. It is clear that how we get this general structure from the recurrence relation.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in next class, today the time is limited, so that's why I cannot explain the Master's theorem, finding the Master's theorem. I will explain it in the next class.